back to my channel. I'm Kayla Prince, your go-to North Carolina realtor. Today we're in the heart of Benson, North Carolina at 302 South Eastwood Drive. This stunning ranch-style home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, offering the perfect blend of modern comfort and small-town charm. Let's go take a look. As we step through the front door, we're greeted by an inviting, open-concept living and dining area. This space is perfect for entertaining or relaxing with family, with its seamless flow and natural lighting creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Just off the dining area, we enter the kitchen. Equipped with modern appliances, including a range and dishwasher, the kitchen is designed to make cooking and cleanup a breeze. Its thoughtful layout provides plenty of counter and cabinet space, making it as practical as it is stylish. Walking through the kitchen, we stepped into the laundry room. There's ample space for a washer and dryer, as well as some storage for some household essentials. Through the window here, we can catch a glimpse of the backyard, a versatile outdoor space perfect for your next barbecue or quiet morning coffee. As we return back to the main living area, we come up to this convenient coat closet, which is ideal for keeping your entryway tidy and organized. Here we have a linen closet, which can provide more space for storing towels, bedding, and other household items. Now let's take a look at one of the 2 secondary bedrooms. This cozy room offers plenty of space for a guest room, an office, or a child's bedroom. The closet provides ample storage to keep the room clutter-free. Just across the hall, we find another secondary bedroom. It is identical in layout and size to the first. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for a variety of needs. Between the 2 secondary bedrooms is a full bathroom. It features a tub shower combination and modern fixtures and is designed to meet the needs of family or guests. Heading back towards the living room, we turn left into the hallway where we come upon the closet that houses the water heater. Just a few steps further, we find another linen closet just outside of the master bedroom, offering additional storage for towels, bedding, and more. Now we enter the master suite, a true retreat within this home. This spacious bedroom offers enough room for a king-sized bed and additional furnishings. Through this doorway, we find the master bathroom, complete with a double vanity, a shower tub combo, and a walk-in closet. This combines convenience with comfort. As we make our way back through the hallway and into the main living area, we're treated to one last look at the open concept living and kitchen space. And that wraps up our tour. This home really has so much to offer, from the open living spaces to the cozy bedrooms and all the little thoughtful touches in between. Reach out to schedule a private tour. We'd love to show you around in person.